Hey everyone, it is Royal. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be using linelock. Right now I am heading to a secluded spot where there's no one around, so I will see you when we get there. Okay, so to use linelock, you're going to want to hit drive modes, hit race options, linelock, activate linelock control. Then you're gonna want to apply brake pressure, hold OK, let go of your brake pedal. Now keep your hand on the OK button. Whenever you let go, then you won't be able to apply the throttle. Now hold the throttle. Don't let go. When you want to let go, let go. Woo! And that's how you use linelock.